I'm Dan Ackerman, Senior Editor at CNET.com, and this is the Sony Vaio FZ180. Now this is a little bit of an unusual beast. It's a 15-inch laptop that's loaded down with home theater and multimedia features. Usually if you have a multimedia laptop, it's a 17-inch model with a really big screen, and you can gather the gang around, you guys can watch movies and stuff. Usually in a 15-inch laptop, people are looking for that mix of portability and value. This, however, is a 15-inch laptop packed to the gills with all kinds of expensive high-end options. Well, first off, we've got a Blu-ray drive in here. Now that could be kind of overkill for a 15-inch screen, especially because the resolution is only 1280 by 800, and that's not full Blu-ray resolution anyway. In order to take advantage of that, you're going to need to use another one of the high-end extras, an HDMI output, which will send the signal to your big flat screen TV. I also like the AV control wheel. It kind of looks like an iPod wheel, but it's really just a four-way rocker switch with another button in the middle. And of course you get a webcam and all the standard memory stick, SD card, express card slots. But of course, like every other Sony laptop we've looked at lately, it is just jam-packed with bloatware and all kinds of other software that you don't need, especially the Spider-Man 3 advertisement as your background. You're going to want to go through and clean up all that stuff. There's actually Spider-Man 1 and 2 preloaded on the hard drive, taking up about 3 gigs of space, but you're going to need to pay $8.99 a piece to unlock those movies. Overall, this is another excellently designed, well put together system from Sony. They really do a great job with these, but the list of people looking for a fully featured multimedia 15-inch laptop is probably pretty small. I'm Dan Ackerman, and that's the Sony Vaio FZ180.